Hello everyone, we are the reporters Harif Badar Baundi, Ismael Iskak, Jibril Abdul Rahman, Patricia Nicole M. Alada, and Bagindali Ulama. Introduction: Technopreneurship is an act of turning something into a resource of high value by converting goods, ideas, into business ventures that relies heavily on the application of human knowledge for practical purposes. In other words, idea plus tech equals technopreneur. We are proud to present to you these techno business ideas. Number 1, selling construction materials online. Number 2, construction safety gadgets production. Number 3, cement manufacturing plant. So, number 1 is selling construction materials online. What is it all about? So, construction equipment refers to heavy equipments which are designed for executing construction tasks in a specific project. Nowadays, people tend to look for high quality and superior equipments at greater prices, so we decided to sell quality used construction equipment in the vicinity of Cotabato City with market value price. So why do we choose this product? The reason why is that we choose this because it is something that every construction site needs. Number 2, we wanted to bring new innovation that is way more convenient and will make your transactions easier and faster. Number 3, we wanted to stand out because some online marketplaces can sometimes be time-consuming, overcrowded with various competitors, and expensive. Our primary goal is to connect the people with the best seller that offers construction materials. So, for target market, contractors are an important marketing target audience in selling construction equipments. These professionals can significantly influence their companies to buy equipments like machinery, hardware, etc.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ismael Iskak, and today I'm going to discuss the second idea in technopreneurship business, entitled Construction Safety Gadgets Production. So the description of product: these tools are built for the site, making it easy for site teams to contribute and to comply with construction safety regulation and quality specifications. Safety is not always something people want to talk about. It's one of those topics that everyone knows is important, yet somehow seems to get glossed over on a daily basis. However, around the world, workplace accidents kill one person and injure another 153 others every 15 seconds. These are not statistics that should be ignored. Manufacturers continue to invest in safety and are working to produce new equipment and technology that can help keep workers safe. So the next is, why do you choose this product? Much of the credit for the growth in sales and employment can be credited to the global economy, where electronics or gadgets export alone are up 10%. Technology is truly global. Communication between countries is also more efficient, making the manufacture, sale, and distribution of product easier. With the internet and other tools that we have now, location become less important. And the last is the target market. Construction safety gadget training is intended for individuals whose job has identified potential exposure to hazard that can be reduced by use of it, like personal protective equipment or PPE. So, napili po namin itong idea na kung saan alam namin napapatok ito at in demand ito sa pamilyan.
Cement manufacturing plant. Description: cement is the essential ingredient in concrete. Cement is very important building materials used in the construction industry because the cement is the strongest binding material amongst lime and cement. Common materials used to manufacture cement include limestone, shells, and chalk or marl combined with shale, clay, slate, blast furnace slag, silica sand, and iron ore. So, the cement is manufactured by a heating precise mixture of finely ground limestone, clay, and sand in a rotating kiln to temperatures reaching 1,450 degrees Celsius. Why do you choose? Cement is now used in many construction trade items like plain concrete, reinforced concrete, mortar, plaster, grouts, paints, and precast elements. We chose this because the cement industry is one of the most important primary and basic industry for the economic development of a country. Target market. The possible target cement customers are broadly classified into segments, which is the trade customer, the dealer, sub-dealer, wholesaler, retail customer, which is individual house builders, and non-trade customer, which includes industrial and government infrastructure. Because it is a major component of both of these buildings materials, cement is an extremely important construction material.
So in conclusion of those three techno-business ideas, the best part about our techno-business ideas is that they don't require a lot of overhead. You can start small and grow over time. However, you will need some level of technical knowledge to be able to successfully start a business in the industry. Are you sure you want to end the presentation? Yes or no? So that's all. Thanks for listening.